Who invented 8051 microcontroller? One of the popular microcontrollers of all time, we can say. In 1981, Intel Corporation has introduced Intel. Intel Corp. Intel Corporation has introduced this 8051. So it is not a single person's, it's a teamwork. That's what we created 8051 microcontroller. But this is not the first microcontroller. It had a elder brother of 8051, who was 8048. So first there was 8048 microcontroller, then they made 8051 microcontroller. Even today, this 8051 is used in industrial applications. Today we have many advanced microcontrollers. Even then, we are using this 8051 microcontroller. So what are the general features of this 8051 microcontroller when it was released? This microcontrollers almost comes as a family, like our family. We'll have father, mother, sister, brother, like that. This most of the popular microcontrollers also comes as family. This is the 8051 microcontroller family. There are two more microcontrollers based on the same core. That's why these three microcontrollers, that is 8031, 8051, and 8052, as a family, microcontroller family. Now we'll see what are the basic features of these microcontrollers. A RAM, ROM, timer, IO pins, serial port, interrupts. These are the basic things that makes difference in a microcontroller. What does it mean that if this is a same family means same instruction set works for it? Instruction set is same. Instruction set is same for all these three microcontrollers. In the 8051, we see what was the ROM size. The ROM size was 4 kilobytes. RAM was 128 bytes. It had two timers, 32 IO pins were there, and one serial port was there. And including reset, there were six interrupts, but actually only five. The reset we can take it as an interrupt. So including reset, it is six interrupts. Similarly, for 8052, there was 8 kilobyte of memory. This in the ROM we store the programs, and 256 bytes of RAM. And then what about the timer? It had an extra one timer, so three timers, but IO pins were only 32, only one serial port, and there were eight interrupts, eight interrupts in 8052. Now what about the 8031? It had no memory at all. That means nil ROM, but RAM was there, 128 kilobytes of RAM, bytes, okay, bytes. Then there were two timers, 32 IO pins, one serial port, and six interrupts. So this is what the 80 microcontroller family. But if the point you have to make sure here is that if somebody is asked how many interrupts are there in an exam, it asks It is only 5. Exam, only 5 interrupts. The sixth one is including the reset. So now the next lecture I'll be telling you what is inside a 8051 microcontroller. So it was wonderful microcontroller invented by Intel Corporation. And it has a elder brother that is 8048. Thank you.